Hello students, question is from Computer Network. The question asked is, consider a highly simplified Diffie-Hellman exchange where P equals to 29, G equals to 5. Suppose that user A chooses the random number X equals to 3 and B chooses the random number Y equals to 7. So what will be the shared secret key? Okay, so we are talking about Diffie-Hellman exchange, right? And we have given P value as 29 and G value as 5. Okay, now A chooses a secret integer. Let's say this is a, okay, 3, and sends B as A dash. Okay, so what will be A dash? This is the secret key. A, it is given right 3 because it has choose a random variable X equals to 3. So instead of X I am taking A. Okay, so here X equals to 3, let's assume this as A, and Y equals to 7, let's assume this as B. Okay, so now A dash will be what? G to the power A mod P. So that will be 5 to the power 3 modulus of 29. So value will be A dash value will be 9. Okay, now again B chooses secret integer B as 7 and sends A as B dash. So what will be B dash then? G to the power of B mod P. Okay, so this will be 5 to the power of 7 modulus of 29. So this value will be 28. Okay, now when A computes the shared key, when A computes the shared key will be B dash to the power of A mod P. So B dash value is 28, right? A value is 3 and mod of 29. So you will get 21952 mod of 29. This value will come as 28. Okay. Similarly, B computes shared key. Okay. So now when B computes, S value will be what? A dash to the power of B mod of P. So 99 to the power of 7 mod 29. Actually, so that will be 28. Therefore, shared key will be what? Shared key is 28, which they commonly share. Okay, so answer is C. Thank you.